Imagine being able to create custom background music for your videos with just a simple prompt, and it's completely free. That's exactly what YouTube just made possible with its latest AI-powered feature. YouTube has officially rolled out a new AI music-making tool for creators. This tool lets you generate instrumental tracks tailored to your video's vibe using just a text description. Whether you want something upbeat, cinematic, mellow, or moody, all you have to do is type it out. The AI does the rest. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know what you think about AI-generated music. This new feature is part of an update to Creator Music, YouTube's music licensing marketplace launched in 2023. It was designed to help creators easily find music for their content without worrying about complicated licensing or unexpected fees. Now, with AI-generated music added in, creators get even more flexibility, and at zero cost. Here's how it works. If you're a US-based creator in the YouTube Partner Program and have access to Creator Music, you'll now see a new tab called Music Assistant. In that tab, you can describe the type of music you want. For example, chill acoustic background for a travel vlog, and the AI will generate a matching instrumental track. YouTube even suggests prompt ideas to help you get started. Once your track is ready, just download it and drop it into your video. Since it's made with YouTube's AI tools, there are no copyright claims to worry about. This isn't YouTube's first experiment with AI music. You might remember Dream Track, a tool powered by DeepMind's Lyria that let users create 30-second clips mimicking popular artist styles. That tech has now evolved and is being integrated into Creator Music, focused specifically on instrumental tracks. Want to learn more about how AI is transforming the creative process on YouTube? Make sure to check out the related video in the corner right now.